Der CL65 AMG, 612 PS und die Gewalt von 1000 Newtonmeter reißen jede Asphaltdecke auf. Der 12-Zylinder Biturbo trägt den imposanten Titel stärkster Serienmotor der Welt. Right Said Fred dürfen das 200.000 € Coupé testen. Sehr gut. Was ist das für einer? Ein CL65. Das erste, was man machen muss, ist die Motorhaube öffnen.
It's a CL65.
Open the bonnet.
Right.
Before we go, let's open the bonnet.
How are we going to do that?
I don't know why they make it quite so. Ah, here we go.
Oh, there's.
Ah.
Welch eine Pracht. Fantastisch.
Thing of beauty. Fantastic. Look at that. Fantastic.
Good for home mechanics.
Gut für Heimmechaniker. Man kann alles selber reparieren. Es ist so einfach. Alles, was man braucht, ist ein Schraubenschlüssel und ein Schraubenzieher.
Be careful of that thing, Rich.
Fred has a Mercedes 4x4 AMG. He's just stalled it. There was one.
Okay, here we go.
We're off. We'll see you in Milan, guys.
Yep. We'll see you in Rome.
Sounds quite funky.
Young.
Oh, those wheels nearly slipped. Bloody hell.
Nach wenigen Metern rätseln die beiden über den Preis.
Very nice.
Pricey, I would think.
Yeah.
What do you reckon? 10,000 euro at least.
I think probably about 120,000 euro. I'll buy 5. It's nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
Es sind sogar 201.000 Euro.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got the cup holder out, we can't get it back in. Hold on. Must be a button. Yeah. It's got to be that. No, or that. Or that, or that.
If there's any technicians from Mercedes.
Not working on a Sunday.
Genug gefummelt. Die 12 Zylinder des 6-Liter Biturbo muss man spüren. Sie zaubern die schönsten Grimassen in Popstar-Gesichter.
Pretty fast. I think I might actually put my seatbelt on. No.
Oh, you stupid man. He's a very stupid man.
I can't do it.
Liner, put your seatbelt on.
Yeah, I can't pull it. It's not working. Whoa! Fucking hell! Those bloody wheels.
Selbst Musiker suchen in einem 612 PS Kraftprotz den praktischen Nutzen.
So the thing with this, you could have a couple of kids in that.
Yeah, you could. Yeah.
It's big enough.
Girls with really big tits.
Oh, a couple of girls with really big tits.
Really good town car.
Yeah.
Very cool. Also, obviously, I look fantastic driving it.
You do actually, Fred. You look
Very attractive.
Very attractive.
Wenn es in gerade einmal 4,4 Sekunden auf 100 geht, ist Fliegen definitiv nicht schöner. Auch wenn bei 250 km/h die Zügel der 612 Pferde gezogen werden.
Lovely. Cool. Nice.
Cool car.
Yeah, it is.
We like this. Thank you, Mercedes. I'm looking forward to my Christmas present.
Yeah.
Richard ist von der Leistung des V12 überwältigt. Für Right Said Fred kann es davon nie genug geben.
What you've got to imagine is 612 horses.
Yeah. Imagine how powerful
that would be. 612 horses, all lined up.
So I ask you, does one person need 612 horses?
I think one person does. Yeah.
I think some days you do.
Some days you do. Absolutely.
Ein AMG imponiert aber auch Frauen.
When I first got my Jeep, I was sitting at some my ML. I was sitting at some traffic lights, and some girls knocked on my window and said, "Hi, Mr. Mercedes, what are you doing?" And they wanted to go for a drink just because I'm sitting in a nice car. So I think the answer to your question is yes, it makes a difference.
Aber wer braucht schon Frauen, wenn man 1000 Newtonmeter hat?